y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing OUTRE Perfect Hairline in the style Julianne, and I got it in the color 1B. This unit is a 13x6 pre-plucked lace front wig. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. The only thing that I've done to this unit off camera was apply my lace tint to the lace. First things first, I'm cutting the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Then I'm taking my scissors and cutting my lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To lay my lace down, I'm going in with my Ebin Firm Hold Sensitive Spray, and I'm applying 1 layer of that spray. I'm blow drying on a medium heat setting, and once I feel like the spray is tacky enough, I'm gonna go in and lay my lace down. Then you want to repeat those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to get my lace nice and melted. And I do this process for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to cut the lace off. So when it comes to cutting my lace, I love to cut my lace in a zigzag motion. This gives my lace a more natural look as opposed to cutting my lace straight across. I'm going back in with my Ebin Firm Hold Spray and relaying the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color level 15, and I'm using a darker shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm using my brush to brush down the foundation of this wig to get it nice and flat. Now it's time to brush out the curls, and as always, when it comes to a synthetic wig, you want to brush from bottom and then make your way up to the top to prevent any knots or tangles. I'm using the Ebin Wig Knots Concealer in the color medium beige to enhance my parting space. When it comes to my baby hairs, I do like to go for a more natural baby hair type of look, so I only like to pull out a thin layer of baby hairs. I'm using my thin edge flat iron to curl my baby hairs, and this helps to give the baby hairs more of a fluffy, natural type of look. I'm using the Got2b gel in the black tube to style my edges. Now that the baby hairs are styled, the last thing that I like to do is play around with the hair, brush it out, finger comb it, whatever you need to do in order for the hair to fall the way you want it to fall. This hair has so much volume and it is layered to perfection. It just makes the hair super easy to style and fall the way you want it to. Here is the final look of this unit and I love the outcome. This unit is OUTRE Julienne, which is the same unit as the other OUTRE Julienne 24-inch, except this unit is shorter. The original OUTRE Julienne 24-inch that I've reviewed in the past was already a part of my top 5 favorites, so I already knew that this unit was not going to disappoint, like at all. This unit is more on the yaki side, and I love a good yaki synthetic wig because it just looks so natural and the volume on yaki wigs are out of this world. I love how the hair is layered to perfection. It frames my face so nice, and the overall look of this unit just gives off classy, elegant, and I love wigs like that. As far as the tangles and the knots, I did not run into any problems with that. But of course, with a synthetic wig, as you continue to wear it, you may encounter some tangles and knots here and there. But as long as you take care of it and maintain it, you should be fine. Honestly, OUTRE Julienne is definitely up there for the classic go-to synthetic wig. So if this is not in your collection, you might want to run and get this wig as soon as possible. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.